If you have to poop at your friend's house, make sure they have a good toilet. Because I just met my friend's parents for the first time at their house, so they don't know me at all. But his family is Latin, so I walk into their house and see that they're making this big dinner. But if there's one thing to know about Latin food, it's that it can be super spicy. But anyways, when all the food was ready, I started eating and they fed me like a king. They kept telling me to eat more and more, so I did because I didn't want them to think that I wasn't enjoying it. But about 20 minutes after we finished eating, my stomach started to rumble and I realized I had to get to the bathroom ASAP. So I did, but like I said, I ate a lot. So after I was done on the toilet, I tried flushing it, but it got clogged and I started to panic. Then I looked for a plunger, but I couldn't find one. So I flushed the toilet again. But that just made the water rise even higher until it almost spilled out the toilet. So eventually I just had to tell the family what happened and they all laughed. And then the father said, "Not everyone can take the heat." That man wasn't lying.